Now, what are prime factors? The prime factors of a number are those factors which are prime. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Here 2 and 3 are the prime factors because they are the prime numbers. Okay, 2 into 7 is 14. So 2 and 7 are the prime factors because 2, 7 are prime numbers. Now the question arises, what are prime numbers? Look at this table. Here I have taken numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Right. And I have written the divisor of these numbers. Means which number can divide 2. 2 is divisible only by 1 and by itself. Okay. So the divisor of 2 is 1 and 2. Coming to 3, 3 is divisible by 1 and itself. Coming to 4, 4 is divisible by 4 into 1 is 4. 2 2s are 4. So we are having 1, 2 and 4 as the factors. So 1, 2 and 4 can divide 4 because 4 is divisible by 1, that is 4. 4 is divisible by 2, that is 4. So 1, 2 and 4. 4 is divisible by 4 also. 1. So the divisors are what? 1, 2 and 4 are the divisors. Coming to 5. 5 is divisible by 1 is 5 and 5 is divisible by itself, that is 1. Okay. So 5 has two divisors, 1 and 5. Coming to 6. Coming to 6. 6 is divisible by 6. 1. 6 is divisible by 1. 6. 6 is divisible by 2. 3. 6 is divisible by 3. That is 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 6 as the divisor of 6. For 7, 1 and 7 are the divisors. For 8, 8 ones are 8, 2 fours are 8, 8 into 1s are 8. So the factors, the divisors are what? 1, 2, 4 and 8. I can find 8 in the table of 1. I can find 8 in the table of 2. I can find 8 in the table of 4 and I can find 8 in the table of 8. For 9, I have 1, 3 and 9. We can find out the divisors in the similar way. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 9 divided by 9 is 1. So 9 has 3 divisors, 1, 3 and 9. 10 has 4 divisors, 1, 2, 5, 10. And coming to 12, 12 is divisible by 1. 12 is divisible by 2. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 6 and it is divisible by 12. So here what do you notice? That 2, 3, 5, 7, these 4 numbers that I have written over here have only 2 divisors, that is 1 and themselves. So numbers which have only 2 divisors, 1 and themselves, are prime numbers. Rest all numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, they are having more than 2 divisors. So numbers which have more than 2 divisors are composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? The numbers which cannot be broken into factors other than 1 and itself are known as prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and rest are there. These are the prime numbers. Or we can say that prime numbers are numbers that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. you can understand it anyway. Okay, you can also write, what if I ask you what are prime numbers, you can say that prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Or you can say numbers that are only divisible by 1 and itself are prime numbers. Okay, I have given you three options. This is the definition of prime number that is given in your book. You can make this definition easier by writing that prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Or you can write numbers that are only divisible by 1 and itself are prime numbers. Then what are composite numbers? Numbers which can be expressed as a product of factors other than 1 and itself are known as composite factors. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18. These are the numbers which have factors other than 1 and itself. If we take 4, 4 is 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, the factors are what? Factors are 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Coming to 6. 1 into 6 is 6. 2 3s are 6. So, what are the factors? I have 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. Okay, so we can define composite number in a different way, that numbers that have factors other than 1 and itself are composite numbers. We can also write it as numbers that have factors other than 1 and itself. Okay, numbers that have factors other than 1 and itself are composite numbers. That means what? Composite numbers have more than two factors. Composite numbers have more than two factors. Clear? Here we are going to find out more prime numbers with the help of this method known as sieve of Eratosthenes. In this, I have written numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. Now I am going to cancel out 1 because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why 1 is not prime nor composite? Because 1 can be written as 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Is it having in another factor? No, it has only one factor, that is 1. So 1 is neither prime nor it is composite. Then the next number after 1 is what? 2. So we will circle 2 and we will cross out all the multiples of 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 62, all ending with 2 will be divisible by 2. Okay. Then all ending with 4 will be divisible by 2. Then all ending with 6 is divisible by 2. Then all ending with 8 is also divisible by 2. Then all ending with 0 is divisible by Okay, now the next number is 3. So I am going to circle this 3. Okay, and then cancel all the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 90, then 93, 96, 99. Okay, so I have cut all numbers that are divisible by 3. Now the next number is 4, that is already cancelled. Now the next number is 5. So all multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? All numbers ending with 0 and 5 are multiples of 5. So cancel all the numbers that are below 5. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Cancel. Then we'll cancel all numbers over here. 30, 40, these are already cancelled. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Already cancelled. Okay. So the next number now is 7. So circle 7 and all multiples of 7 you are going to cancel now. 7 2s are 14, 3s are 21, 4s are 28, 5s are 35, 6s are 42, 7s are 49, 8s are 56, 9s are 63, 70, then 77, then 84, then 91. Okay, then 98. Cancel. Then remaining all numbers you are going to circle. See 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, then 97. So all these numbers that I have circled over here, they are neither divisible by 2, nor by 3, nor by 5, nor by 7. All these numbers, remaining numbers, are prime numbers. Okay, and all the cancelled ones are the composite numbers because they were divisible by this 2, 3, 5 and 7. Clear? So 1 is neither prime nor composite because we cannot express 1 as a product of two different factors other than 1 and itself. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, all these numbers that I circled are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. All these numbers that are written over here are prime numbers between 1 to 100. Rest all remaining numbers are the composite numbers. So composite number is what? It is a mixture of even numbers and odd numbers both. Okay, we'll do this in the next video.